Hello again, Juliana here. Today we will be covering the rules of video conferencing, which is part of my business etiquette workshop and is under the area technology etiquette or techno etiquette, or also known as netiquette. Why? Because social media is made for moments like this, and I will suggest to choose the favorite social media platform you love and keep on doing what you do and keep on doing what you love. Just stay connected. So first of all, I use ABCDE to explain the core principles of etiquette. Why? Because it's easier to be remembered and less unforgettable. So today we will be using A as appearance, because it's all about what the eyes catch. So first of all, get over your fear, because we are all in this socially awkward situation together. Secondly, look for a less distracting background when video conferencing. Keep it as neutral as possible. Put personal items you would like to keep private away, or maybe items that may be embarrassing. Thirdly, tailor your appearance to the person you are dealing with. And if in doubt, just follow the company culture. We can dress comfortably. We can dress casually. After all, we are working from home. But comfortable, please, doesn't mean you're PJ. And it doesn't mean we have to be sloppy. We just need to be put together. That's all. Fourth, search for the light. It's just positive if you are not sitting in the dark for the others. It expresses friendliness. And I know we don't all have home office. Some may be working from the kitchen, from the dining room, from the living room, from the bedroom, or maybe a space you've created for yourself as a working space. Be close to the window to catch some light. That's all for today, because I don't want to overwhelm you with too many tips. And even though you still want to keep some level of decorum, for after all, your etiquette defines who you are. But please remember, people are more forgiving in these desperate times and measurements. So etiquette might not be as stringent as usual. Stay safe, stay tuned, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.